Good morning to all of you. I am Rakesh Kumar. Today we are discuss what is the polynomials and degree of the polynomials as well as the classification or types of the polynomials. Basically polynomials words is a Greek word. It's a combination of the two words poly and second nomials. Poly means many, nomials means terms. So we can say that polynomials is a combination of the many terms. So we say that an algebraic expressions of the form fx. Generally we denote a polynomials by fx or px. So fx or px is equal to a0 x के power 0 plus a1 x के power 1 plus a2 x के power 2 and so on up to plus an x के power n, where a0 a1 a2 dot dot an are real numbers and all the index of x are non-negative integers is is called a polynomial in variable x, and the highest index n is called the degree of the polynomial if an not equal to 0. Here a0 x की power 0, a1 x की power 1, a2 x की power 2 dot 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 an x की power n are called term sorry are called terms of the polynomial, and a0 a1 a2 dot dot n are called coefficient of various coefficient of the polynomial fx. For example first, 2x cube plus 2x cube plus 5x square plus x plus 1. Here we see that in a given polynomials 2x cube plus 5x square plus x plus 1, where we see that the highest degree of x is 3. So we can say that the given polynomial is of the degree 3. Example 2, 3x square plus 2 root x plus 1. Here we see that first term 3x square, here x की power 2 and second term 2 root x. Root 2 is a non-negative. In the given example 2, we see that first term 3x square, here x to the power 2, here degree is 2, and second term 2 root x, here x to the power 1 upon 2. This is uh, this is not a non-negative integer, so this is not a polynomials. Fine. Example 3, 5x cubed plus 2x square plus 3x minus 5 upon x plus 6. Here we see that in first term 5x cubed, here highest degree of x is 3, and plus in the second term 2x square, here as highest degree of x is 2, plus 3x, here degree of x is 1, and minus 5 upon x, here degree of x is minus 1. So this is not a polynomial. Now discuss different types of, of polynomials. The types of the polynomials based on the two types. First is on the basis of degree, and second in on the basis of terms. Fine. So first we have discussed polynomials based on degrees. There are four types of the polynomials based on the degree. So first, 0 degree polynomial. A polynomial of degree 0 is called 0 polynomials. This is also known as the constant polynomials or constant poly. General form of 0 degree polynomials is fx is equal to. Now we take some examples for 0 degree polynomials. We write 5 in the form of 5 into x to the power 0. Here we see that the highest degree of x is 0. So this is the 0 degree polynomials. We know that if power of 0 of any number is always 1. So this is 5. Example 2, fx equal to 6. Here again we can add 2 6 in the form of the polynomials 6 into x to the power 0. So here highest degree of the polynomials is 0. So this is a 0 degree polynomials. Second one is item B, linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree 0 is called polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. General form of the linear polynomials is fx is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers and a not equal to 0. Let us take some examples for linear polynomials. Example first, fx is equal to 5x plus 6. Here we see that the in first term 5x, here x की power is 1. So this is a linear polynomials. Example 2, fx is equal to 7x की power 2 plus 6x plus 1. Here we see that in the first term 7x की power 2. Here indices of x, our power is 2. So this is not a linear polynomial. Fine. Now discuss third polynomials. This is a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Now, general form of quadratic polynomial is f fx is equal to a x की power 2 plus e x की power 1 plus where a, b and c are the constant and a not equal to 0. We take some examples. Example first, fx is equal to 2x square plus 6x plus 4. In the above example, we see that the highest degree of the polynomial is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomials. Example 2, fx is equal to 6x के power 2. So this single term, but here we see that the x की power is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomials. Now discuss type 4 cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. General form of cubic polynomials fx is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and are constant and a not equal to 0. We take some examples for cubic polynomials. Is here we see that in the given example x cube plus x square plus 2 plus 4x. In a first term we see that the highest degree of x is 3. So this is a cubic polynomial. Example 2, 4x square plus 6x plus 2. Here we see that x k power 2 is the highest degree of the given polynomial. So this is not a cubic polynomial, not a polynomial. Now fifth one is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. General form of biquadratic polynomials: fx is equal to a x to the power 4 plus b s cube plus c x square plus dx plus e, where a, b, c, d and e are constant and a not equal to 0. We take some examples for biquadratic polynomials. Example first, 3x to the power 4 plus 5x plus 3. Here we see that the highest degree of the polynomial is 4. So this is a biquadratic polynomials. Example 2, 7x cube plus 5x square plus 9x to the power 4 plus 3. In given polynomials we see that highest degree of x is 4. So this is a biquadratic polynomials. Polynomials of degree 5 or more than 5 does not have any particular name. Such a polynomial usually called a polynomial of degree 5 or 6 or dot dot etc. Thanks. Tomorrow we are discuss the polynomials on the basis of terms and what is the zero polynomials, values of polynomials and the root of polynomials. Okay, thanks.